Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch Series 3 to an Android phone. While it's a common question, direct full integration isn't natively supported. We'll explore the significant compatibility challenges you'll face. This guide will help you understand the very limited functionalities you might achieve and why an iPhone is typically essential for the full experience. Let's dive into the details. The fundamental challenge lies in the design philosophy. Apple Watch is meticulously crafted to integrate seamlessly within the Apple ecosystem, specifically with an iPhone. Android operating systems simply lack the proprietary software and hardware protocols needed to establish a full connection. Without an iPhone, you cannot even complete the initial setup, pair the watch, or receive essential software updates. This is a critical barrier. Even without an iPhone, your Apple Watch Series 3 can still function as a basic timepiece, track steps, and monitor heart rate. However, for core smartwatch features like receiving notifications, making calls, or syncing health data, an active connection to an iPhone is indispensable. While some third-party apps might offer very minimal standalone capabilities, the experience will be severely limited compared to its intended use. Expect significant restrictions. If you primarily use an Android phone, the most practical solution is to choose a smartwatch designed for Android, offering a complete feature set. If you already own an Apple Watch Series 3, you could use an older iPhone for its initial setup and periodic updates. Otherwise, your watch will largely serve as a standalone fitness tracker and a digital clock, providing only a fraction of its intended capabilities. Make an informed choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.